Hey guys, today we're working on the Power Wagon rims and rings and stuff, and well, it's taking a lot longer than we thought. There's just a lot of welding and grinding, a lot of holes we didn't see before. The part is they all have 46. Where's this one? 46. 46. 46. So they're all original, so that's a good thing. They're made all at the same time because they have the same stamps on them. Right now, Dad welded a couple holes in. I was over here. Well, we'll just wait for that. So when I started cleaning up these rims and sandblasting them, it was last fall. We thought we were gonna get them done before winter, but we didn't get them done in time, so I had to restart this. Well, 2 weeks ago, I had to restart and do it all again. Didn't take as long as it did before, but it still took a little bit. But I sandblasted them twice because they had surface rust, but I told Dad it was just a waste of sand, so we got the air wire brush out, cheek poker, and we got all this cleaned up with it.